Did you know that remote work has skyrocketed by 159% since 2009? That's right, in the current year, a whopping 12.7% of full-time employees work from home. But here's the kicker, many of these jobs don't require any prior experience. Intrigued? Well, stick around to discover how you can join this remote revolution. Today, we're diving into the world of work from home opportunities that don't demand years of experience. Whether you're fresh out of school, changing careers, or just looking to ditch the 9 to 5 grind, I've got the inside scoop on how you can kickstart your remote career today. That's right, today I'll take you to remote jobs, no experience needed. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Now, I know what you're thinking. But don't all good remote jobs require tons of experience? Well, that's the million-dollar myth we're busting today. This misconception has been holding back countless of talented individuals from pursuing their work-from-home dreams. Here's the deal. Many people believe that remote work is reserved for seasoned pros with decades of experience. They picture high-level executives taking Zoom calls from tropical beaches, leaving the rest of us out in the cold. This idea has created a mental barrier, causing potential remote workers to shy away from amazing opportunities. But here's the truth bomb. The remote job market is more diverse and accessible than ever before. Companies are increasingly valuing skills, enthusiasm, and adaptability over years of experience. They're looking for fresh perspectives and go-getters who can bring new energy to their teams. The real challenge isn't a lack of opportunities. It's overcoming the self-doubt and hesitation that comes from believing you're not qualified. Today, we're going to shatter that illusion and show you how to confidently step up in the world of remote work, regardless of your experience level. So buckle up because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the land of digital opportunity. Our first stop is Virtual Assistants Island. Picture this. You're the Swiss Army knife of the online world, juggling tasks like a circus performer on caffeine. As a virtual assistant, you'll be the behind-the-scenes superhero, saving entrepreneurs and small businesses from the villainous clutches of administrative chaos. You might find yourself scheduling appointments because apparently some people still can't figure out how to use a calendar. Or you'll be managing emails like a spam-slaying warrior, or even handling social media to help businesses avoid those cringe-worthy posts that make everyone uncomfortable. The best part? The virtual assistants industry is blowing up faster than a batch of Mentos dropped in Diet Coke. It's expected to reach astronomical heights in the coming years, which means more opportunities for you to shine and potentially earn more than you would if you filled an Olympic-sized swimming pool with quarters. Next up, we're sailing into Customer Service Cove. Welcome to the front lines of human interaction, where patience isn't just a virtue, it's your secret weapon. Don't worry, you won't need to dodge flying objects or deal with Karen's infamous haircut in person. This is all done remotely, usually via chat, email, or phone. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, involves answering customer queries and occasionally deciphering messages that seem to be written in ancient hieroglyphics, processing returns and exchanges, because apparently some people buy shoes without knowing their shoe size, and providing product information without constantly saying, "Have you tried turning it off and on again?" for every tech question. Here's the kicker. Companies with top-notch customer services tend to rake in more money than their competitors. So essentially, you're not just solving problems, you're a money-printing machine in disguise. Now let's trek on over to Data Entry Desert. Don't let the name fool you. This place is an oasis of opportunity for those who find zen in repetitive tasks. If you can type faster than a caffeinated cheetah and have an eye for detail sharper than Sherlock Holmes on his best day, this might be your jam. You'll be inputting information into databases, transcribing audio, and updating customer information. And get this, While the average Joe types a leisurely 40 words per minute, with some practice, you could be blazing through at over 100 words per minute. At that speed, you could type out the entire script of The Lion King faster than Simba can say Hakuna Matata. Now that's something to roar about. Then, let's make a quick pit stop at Translation Town. Even if you're not fluent in another language, there are opportunities here. Many companies need help with basic translations or proofreading machine translations. It's like being the human spell check for robots. You might find yourself translating simple documents, proofreading machine translations, and try not to laugh too hard at the hilarious mistakes. Or you'll be helping with localization, because not everyone understands what "it's raining cats and dogs" means apparently. And here's a mind bender for you. Every day, online translation tools process more words than there are stars in the Milky Way. That's a lot of "how do you say where's the bathroom" in insert language here queries. And last but not least, we'll be scaling the peaks of Content Creation Canyon. So if you've got a way with words, a knack for design, or a passion for creating engaging social media posts, welcome to your new playground. No formal experience needed here, just bring your own creativity and a willingness to learn. You could be writing blog posts, creating social media content, or diving into basic graphic design. To put things into perspective, there are more blog posts published daily than there are penguins waddling around Antarctica. That's a lot of words. Now, you might be wondering, this all sounds great, but how do I actually find these jobs? Well, here's the secret sauce. First, you need to polish your online presence. You need to make sure your LinkedIn profile doesn't look like it was last updated when MySpace was still cool. Then you dive into freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. They're like the all-you-can-eat buffets for remote jobs. Just be prepared for some initial hustling. It's like being the new kid at school, but instead of making friends, you're making money. Then, you need to network like your career depends on it, because it kind of does. You can join online communities and forums related to remote work, basically like speed dating, but for job opportunities. You can create a killer portfolio, even without professional experience. Did you organize a birthday party that didn't end in disaster? Bam! Event planning skills. Can you explain technology to your grandparents without them throwing your computer out the window? Well, that works too. To better understand all of this at work, let's talk about Chris Galbo, the New York Times bestselling author and entrepreneur. But before he became a household name in the digital nomad world, Chris was just another guy looking for a way to work remotely with zero experience. Back in 2002, Chris stumbled upon a gig as a part-time online researcher for a medical company. He had no background in medicine or research, but he had determination and a willingness to learn. Chris leveraged his curiosity and self-taught internet skills to land the job. This remote position became his springboard. It allowed him to travel while working, sparking his passion for unconventional living. Chris used his experience to build his skills, expand his network, and eventually launch his own online business. Fast forward to today, and Chris has visited every country in the world, written multiple bestsellers, and inspired countless others to pursue location-independent careers. All because he took a chance on a remote job he wasn't qualified for on paper. Chris's story proves that with the right mindset and a bit of hustle, you can turn an entry-level remote gig into a launchpad for an extraordinary career and lifestyle. Remember, experience isn't everything in the remote work world. With determination, the right resources, and a dash of creativity, anyone can kickstart their work-from-home journey. Whether it's virtual assistants, customer service, or content creation, your dream remote career is just a few strategic moves away. Also, what's the wildest place you've ever imagined yourself working from? And what's holding you back from making it a reality? Share your remote work dreams and roadblocks in the comments below. And well, that's basically remote jobs, no experience needed. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, It seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.